Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can add Roblox to Discord status. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up your Discord application on your PC and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to its homepage of servers on the application. What you need to do is simply tap on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and your settings and your account settings will pop up. After that, scroll down the list of settings towards the tab named Activity Settings. Now click on the Activity Privacy option present under this tab and then toggle on the first slider. What it will do, it will enable the pop-up message stating the game you are currently playing. After that, open up the Register Game tab and make sure your Roblox is selected. If it isn't, then select Roblox by clicking on the Edit button. Now you can see that the Roblox message is displaying on my account. Note that the Roblox must be open in the background for it to work. And that's how you can add Roblox to Discord status. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.